Yon, Boss Rose, CRS represent. So bago tayo magsimula, shoutout muna natin si Boss Christian Ruiz, Bio ng Baguio City, si Boss Mark Capistrano at si Boss Arnel Ambang. So yung iba po sa kanilang po sa susunod po, pasensya na po kasi masyado po marami sa susunod na video na lang po natin sila isi-shoutout. So maraming salamat din po pala sa mga sumusuporta at nanonood ng ating mga inilalabas sa video. So pagpatuloy lang po natin, thank you po talaga. So papalo na rin po ako sa aking FB page at pasubscribe sa aking YouTube channel. So itong tema po natin ngayong araw to about pa din po kay Boss Mag sa Jollibee order. So may nag-request lang po about naman sa McDo. So wala po tayo nakita kaya pumili na lang po tayo ng top 3 sa iba't ibang bansa kung ano yung magaling. Napili po natin yung India, USA. Syempre di magpapaday ka mga Pinoy dyan, si Boss Mag. So wag na natin patagalin to, kaya let's go.
Let me get two Big Macs and a one that. Let me get the menu all right. Gonna pay fries and that mac chicken. Give me one big spicy chicken wrap. Pack this food cause I'm about to go. I'm quite thirsty, so pack it up. Oh, and I need one rice bowl. I'm not done with the other, man. I'll need some more. I need one McCafe blueberry cheesecake. Hold on, man, can you please wait? When American mud, but I'm not done with the other, man. I'll need some fries. I need a fish and fillet, some chicken nuggets. I need a brother to make me wicked. American cheese, supreme wedges chicken. I'll need it sort of to completely different. Let me get those favorite fries, so oops, my bad, I need masala try. I'm started up it, cause I'm down to shot. And listen to me, leave the coke aside. Give me two shares with a cheesecake. When I peep on the meat on the sneak, can't stop, some hot fudge for the speed lane. Cappuccino drink on the house, could you make that happen quick, please, wait?
Two apple pies. No, actually. Let me get two Big Macs and two apple pies. A little bit of Sprite in the side of fries. Let me get a McDouble, let me get a McChicken. Hot sauce, make sure that shit kickin'. I want a McRib before I McPiss. Let me get a hash brown if it is a lunch head. If it is, I'ma be mixed and upset. Let me get some nuggets too. I want a bun cake and a parfait. Two of them, I really had a hard day. Let me get a McCafe latte and a couple hundred large Shamrock shakes. Powerade, high C, ranch snack wrap on the side, please. Let me get a burger with a slice of cheese, but no onions or pickles, so hold that, please. I want a McFlurry, two of those, one M&M, one Oreos. I want everything on the dollar menu and a burger with jalapenos. Let me get a snack wrap for my backpack, better not tax that, dust sauce, no after. Taking everything to go, so pack that in a black bag, high res eating all the flapjacks. Did you get all that?
Hey yo, what's up? Magandang umaga, tanghali hapong gabi, eksakto. Kumakalamang aking sikmura, tila puro hangin na ang espasyo. O sige, ganto, dahan-dahan la, para klaro mapakinggan mo. Bago ko umorder, dapat nakafocus, bawal kumura, mabilis lang to, let's go. Simulan na muna natin sa lahat ng mga paborito ko magmula pa ng bata. Hanggang sa magkapamilya, may anak na katasawa, pero hindi pa rin ako nag-asawa. Birthday, graduation, mga gala, sama na pamilya, tropa na malaya. Di ko inakala, gang sa Jollibee, LA, abo, ang aking panata. Dalawang spicy chicken joy, 2-piece with extra rice. Then, baby na madami pwedeng isabaw sa kanin. Gusto ko yung XL size. Kung walang Coke, Royal Sprite, Pineapple, malamig yung less ice. Burger fries, I tell no lies. Bawi na lang sa diet at exercise. I can fake pati burger steak, jelly hotdog at fish mango pie. All of this, don't ask me why. Kanina pa ako naglalaway. Kahit breakfast meals ang beka mo, gusto malagay sa aking plato. Basta kainan, puro dine-in yan. Pero mamaya may take out pa ako, kasi gusto ko din ng spaghetti at palabok. Di nyo na ako mapipigil, nanggigigil. Mamaya samahan mo na din ang laruan ng kiddie meal. Complete set, pakipuslet mo na lamang sa akin. Ang patago, mang bibwiset, mangiinggit lang ako ng akin. Mga kalaro, joke lang, langhap sarap, literal. Ganyan ko na miss, kaya heto. Mapa-dollar o peso, halaga sa puso ko ay walang presyo. Bago mapahaba pa kwento, sige magbabayad na ako. Pero wait lang po, teka muna sandali, kasi parang nalimutan ko yung wallet ko. Patay, uy, gago, legit lang ang wallet.
Dami mong in-order, wala ka palang pera.
Wala, gagi.
Isa ka naman libre, walang yaka. O sige miss, ganito. Maghuhugas na lang kami ng plato, pwede rin kaming kargador. Or baka pwedeng maka-arbor ng bakal na tinidor.